Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. What's going on everybody? Oh yes, it's Monday, May 11th, and it's mow day. Yes, it's definitely mow day. Keeping the mower at a 2 today. Got some things going down on the front and the back. I'll show you guys here in a minute. Got everything out ready to go and excited for today. I've been waiting for this all day. Yesterday was my mow day on Mother's Day, but I decided not to do that. I wanted to spend it with the old wife, you know, great mother. New mom, you know, we just had our baby in January of this year, so definitely wanted to spend time with that, not go out in the yard and get caught up doing all that. So I just wanted to be with my family and enjoy it, and it was great. And but today it gets serious. So let's get started. Let me show you what I'm working with. All right, everybody. First going up is GrubEx. And here comes old Killer on his little mini dirt bike. Tell you what, he could choke a donkey with that sound. All right, guys. First thing's going down. Well, second thing going down after the mow is GrubEx season-long grub. So apply in early spring to early summer. So I think I'm right there. It's May 11th. It's got to be close to early summer, at least halfway there anyway. So, but I'll be fine. Let's see. This thing says it is by Scotts. So I'm gonna have mine at a 3.5. If y'all can see that, most definitely a 3.5. It goes through, like I said before, always read your stuff. I'm gonna be applying, because this thing says about 2.87 pounds of product per 1,000. So I'm gonna round up. I'm gonna say 6 pounds for the front yard, because I have 2,000 yards back there. That's time, folks. I got some Image. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the backyard. Here comes old Cranky Pants on his dirt bike. Oh, there he goes off the road. He just wrecked. That's right. It's Image kills nutsedge. It's for warm and cold season weeds. Treats 6,000 square feet. That's right, guys. So putting this down in the backyard today. Not gonna mow the back. I'm gonna spray this. I'm gonna let it sit for 48 hours before I touch it, before I mow it or anything like that. I'm pretty sure, I need to read again, but I want to double check. I think it says water within 1 day. So I'm probably going to water right afterwards. Not a whole bunch, but just enough to get it down in there and start working. Takes about 3 to 5, 3 to 5 weeks for it actually to be gone. So that'll probably get us into, it'll be in the summer by the time everything should be done. So I'm hoping it works pretty good. Let's get to it before that dog drives me nuts. There he goes right there. Thinks he's loud with his little moped. That's fine. That's fine. Do that. Oh, that's loud. But I thought I'd show you guys real quick where we are height-wise. It's been 4 days since I mowed. 4 days since I mowed the front lawn, the Bermuda, the beast, the alpha dog. So I'm gonna take you over here and let's see where she is. So I'd say she's, that grows pretty fast. I'd say she's at about 2 inches on some of them. More than likely 2 inches. That's what it looked like. This motor's head. So I'm gonna take off more than half again, which I don't know if I should. I got to, guys. Should I? You know, it's getting hot. You know, I should stick with this whole cutting it at an inch and keep on going with it. Don't stop. Just keep on doing it. Feed it like you need to feed it and just go from there. You know what, guys? What I should have done last time when I cut it at 2 was sharpen my blade. I think I'm gonna sharpen my blade really quick. I told myself I was gonna do that today, just so I can have a nice sharp blade, cutting down to an inch, and we'll go from there. So let me go ahead and do that. You might see a little bit of clip of that, so bear with me. But I got this new tool. Let me show you real quick. I will show you what I was using. It's this thing. I don't like it at all. I really don't. I feel like I get a better feel for it doing it by hand with my files. So, yeah. But I'm sure you guys have seen these. I'm sure you guys have used these. Maybe I just haven't used it correctly or the right way. But I don't like it. Don't like it at all. Blade. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off really quick. This time, dumping my mower over on the right side, unplugging my spark plug. Safety first, guys. Don't want to lose any fingers or hands. I'd never sharpened anything before in my life, especially a lawnmower blade. But I think these right here, for me, are the best. They feel sharp. I feel like I know how to use them because from what I've seen and, just witnessed, I feel like I'm doing a really good job when I do it. And it feels, like I said, it feels sharp. Another thing to keep in mind when you're sharpening your blades, which you guys already know, is that little tool that I showed you right here. Well, it came with a nifty old balancer right here. So let's see what we got balanced, if it's any good. How's it looking? How's it looking? Just gotta settle down real quick. Hold on. Let's settle it down. It's moving. That ain't bad, folks. That ain't bad. Hey, doing it by hand is not bad at all. I don't think I'm gonna use that tool anymore. Nope, I don't think I am. May even take it back because it is crap. But yeah, man, that's what I did by hand. Well, I guess you could say, and that tool. No, but what I did by hand is a lot more than what that tool did. So let's get the mowing. I'm excited. I'm already wasting enough time. I've already got everything sharpened. Let's get this back on here and let's go. Alright, guys, so there she is, down to an inch. Alright, good job, Husqvarna. But now, hey, guess what? I just finally cleaned up all that glass that I broke from my water catcher thing, water meter, whatever you want to call it. Now, I'm gonna restring my trimmer and I'm gonna get the trimming going around the edges in the front yard. So bear with me, I'll see you soon. boy. All right, so I just got done weed eating, and I have to say, I love Echo. I've always used Echo. I guess my family's always had Echo, or so that I know of, anyway. Anyway, I love Echo. The only thing I don't love about Echo is that dang string head, whatever. Oh man, it drives me nuts. But got all the weed eating done, got all the mowing done. About to throw down some GrubEx from Scott's. That's right. And yeah, lawn's looking pretty good, guys. Again, dropped it down to 1 inch, and it is looking pretty good, depending on where you're looking at it from, I guess. I mean, right here, it's still pretty green. I enjoy it. Let's see. So yeah, guys, let's get down. Let's get downtown Julie Brown. Yeah. I don't know if y'all can see that as good as I can, but there are some mower stripes right there. Walk behind mower stripes. A little bit, but it looks good. Looks good, guys. I'm impressed. I like it. Oh yeah. Side. Oh yeah, here are my gloves. I threw these down in frustration with that weed eater. Let's get to throwing this GrubEx down. I got to go. I still got to do image on the back right now. That's what I'm gonna do right now. All right, guys. So we got the GrubEx here. It's 2.87 pounds per 1,000. I'm gonna go ahead and do 3 pounds per 1,000, kind of round up. So about 6 pounds, and I think I'm gonna go a little bit more than that. I'm gonna take half this bag. That's right, guys, half this bag. And boy, I need a new razor right here. But I'm gonna take half this bag and just use, because it's a 14-pound bag, and I'm gonna use 7 pounds of it. Give me 4 months, so it says. We'll see how it works. There are reasons why I'm using this right now. I'm not just using it because people had said to use it, or I saw a YouTube video, and no, I am seeing some brown patches out there, and they're not scalp marks. So it could be one of two things, I guess, or more. It could be the pre-emergent still working and killing all the weeds that, turning them brown. And it could be grubs. I know I have grubs because when I was working in the garden, I had grubs. So let's get to it. All right, so that's about 7 pounds. That's half the bag. So I'm just eyeing it right now. This definitely looks like 7 pounds. 7 pounds to me. So we're gonna throw that down. We're gonna put the dial at 3.5, just like the bag says, and turn and burn. Let's throw her down, turn and burn. All right, guys, you wanna watch? All right, guys, so clean by the front is done. About to get my image, throw it in my 4-gallon sprayer, backpack sprayer, and go to town on the back. So I'm gonna read it just real quick, and here we go. Hang tight. All right, y'all, so I'm ready. Got my backpack on, ready to go. So I didn't show you me putting an image in there, but oh yeah, y'all know how to read. And that's what I did. I followed directions. All right, y'all, watch me work. I have to go to town on this backyard. Cross my fingers it doesn't do anything harmful to it. All right, guys, I am done for the day. Got the backyard done. Actually, I had some to do the side right here, all the way down. Just get some of those weeds. Also did that in there, which I don't really care about this grass, but there's a lot of Bermuda in here, guys. And it's not looking too bad. But I am done. About to clean up, wash this pump sprayer out of here. But yeah, there she is, guys. Take a gander. Oh yeah, she's loving it. All right, see y'all. Put up basically. Completed the backyard with my spray. That's right. It's Bermuda, guys. It'll be fine. This is the alpha grass, the BA grass, the badass grass. Excuse my French. What is going on, everybody? So it seems like my camera, not seems, it did. My phone died yesterday, so I was just saying that the Bermuda grass is BA. But yeah, I'm glad. I don't know what I was really gonna say yesterday, but I know I showed you my lawn, my backyard after the spray. That was May 11th, yesterday, so today's May 12th. So we'll see what happens in, we'll just say a couple weeks. So see what comes of it. So around the 26th, 27th, we'll see what the lawn is looking like. See if the image did anything worth talking about, and go from there. But yeah, I'm excited to see what it's gonna kill, or just how it's gonna kill it. Not what it's gonna kill. I know what it's gonna kill, but how it's gonna kill it. So I think that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. I'm sure there will be more. I know there will be more. And we'll go from there. So everyone, enjoy your day. See you later.